In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a SurveyMonkey survey into your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to gather feedback directly from your audience without making them leave your site. It's simple and effective, so let's dive into the process. First, start by navigating to SurveyMonkey's homepage. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials so you can access your surveys. Once you're on the main page, you'll see a list of your projects. Find and click on the particular survey you wish to embed on your website. It's important to choose a survey that's already created and finalized so it can be ready for audience interactions. Next, after selecting your survey, look for the option to collect responses. This is your gateway to distributing your survey in various ways, including embedding it on a website. Once you're in the responses section, you'll want to click on Add New Collector. A collector, in SurveyMonkey terms, is essentially a mode of distribution for your survey. Then choose the Website Collector option. This feature allows you to implement the survey directly on a web page. Among the available options under Website Collectors, select Embedded Survey. This will generate a piece of HTML code that you'll paste into your Squarespace site. Make sure to click Copy to save this code to your clipboard, as this is what you'll need to proceed with embedding. Now let's switch our focus over to your Squarespace website. Go to your Squarespace account and enter the edit mode for your site. Once in the editor, look for a place where you want to add the survey and click on the option to ADD block. From the blocks available, select Embed. This is where you'll place the SurveyMonkey code to integrate the survey directly onto your page. In the Embed block, click on the Edit option and choose Code Snippet. This will open up a field where you can input HTML code. Paste the code you copied earlier from SurveyMonkey into this field. It's crucial here to ensure the code is correctly inserted so the survey functions optimally on your site. After pasting, confirm everything's in place by typing a brief note or highlight for reference, if necessary. Finally, make sure to click Back once all changes are in place to save your progress. By following these steps, your survey should be live on your site, ready to collect valuable feedback. This integration supports a seamless user experience, allowing visitors to engage with your content intuitively. Remember, surveys are a powerful tool to connect and learn from your audience, so take advantage of this easy embedding process.